I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts thoroughly. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Then, practice consistently with a variety of problems. This builds confidence and speed. Finally, always review your errors carefully. Learning from mistakes is crucial for improvement and deeper understanding. To truly master math, engage in active learning. Try solving problems independently before checking answers. This strengthens your problem-solving skills. Explaining a concept to a friend or even to yourself can reveal gaps in your understanding. Also, create flashcards for key formulas and definitions. Quick recall of these basics will significantly speed up your work. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for math success. Start by working through example problems, understanding each step. Don't shy away from more challenging questions. They push your boundaries and deepen your comprehension. Keep a dedicated math notebook to organize notes, formulas, and problem solutions. This becomes a valuable resource for review and reference. Facing difficulties in math is normal, but you can overcome them. When a problem seems overwhelming, break it into smaller, manageable steps. If you're truly stuck, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or a tutor for guidance. Persistence is vital. Keep trying even when it's tough. A positive attitude makes a huge difference in your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.